Hi guys, today we're going to do this really easy braided bun hairstyle. To start, I've popped the hair into a centre parting and left some hair out to frame the face. Now we're just going to divide the hair from the top of the ears all the way across. Now pop this top section into a ponytail using an elastic band. Make a hole with your fingers behind that elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Pass your ponytails to your fingers and pull it through so you're creating a twist. Add some texture spray all over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. Then gently pinch and pull at the twist and the hair at the crown area. Now we're just going to take that ponytail and clip it up and out of the way for later. And we're going to divide the remaining hair in half. And we're simply going to do a 3-strand braid on both sides. Release that ponytail down and we're going to pull those 2 braids in front of the ponytail and join them together with a clear elastic band. Now we're going to take that little end of the braids and we're going to pop it behind that ponytail where we pulled it through to create the twist. So pop your fingers behind the ponytail and pull those joined braids all the way through. Then take a bobby pin and just secure it at the top there to stop it slipping through. Now we're just going to create another 3-strand braid on that ponytail and tie it off with an elastic band, but make sure you don't bring your ends all the way through, so you create a little loop. Now take that loop and all we're going to do is start rolling it up the braid towards the nape of the neck. Hold in place and just use as many bobby pins all around the outside of that bun to keep it secure. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.